Hey everyone, today I'm in Panjim and if you can see they've just barricaded the road. There is no barricade put in front over there. Vehicles are coming in and they have to reverse now. I have met one of this pay parking guys also of no use. Nor are they helping the citizens to guide which side to go. There is a traffic policeman who's over here and he's unaware of what is happening. I have told him that please put a barricade ahead. He's telling me that's the duty of the contractor. But I said, really, you stand there and guide the traffic over there ahead. There's no one over there. There's no barricade being put. N number of times vehicles are coming in, turning, going out. Every road is dug up. This is a pain and a menace for everyone. You can see this. Suddenly there's a pipe being put over here to stop vehicles. And there's no barricade ahead. Full confusion. The contractors who are supposed to do this are not even putting proper barricades. Nor is the traffic cell informing the contractors put proper barricades so that people do not face inconvenience. The pay parking guys also of no use. On top of that, they are shouting over here, saying that why you're telling me. Imagine, that's the audacity. They are only to take money but not to guide and help the people who are supposed to turn and park over here in the way. This is for you all to see. Smart city, great job. Yeah? Thanks for creating so much of inconvenience for us. If you can see, the roads are closed here because you can't reverse back. And this is the problem. People have to reverse back and keep turning. There should be a barricade over here. But who's there to support? Nor is the contractor, nor is the traffic police helping out. It's chaotic over here. Citizens here are guiding over here. I called up traffic cell PI Chetan and informed him about the issue that has happened today in Panjim city where I was traveling and lots of other people. And he said he'll look into this and go there on site and have the needful done. Thank you PI Chetan for addressing to my call and going and getting the needful done. Appreciate the support. But really, smart city guys, all the contractors, you all are doing a very bad job and creating a lot of inconvenience for the citizens, for the public who are visiting into the city also, as well as for the traffic police, because in the end they get shouted at for your negligence.